Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Yogalibrium. Welcome to this morning yoga flow. This is a quick 10-minute energizing vinyasa practice. And let's begin seated in any comfortable position. We're going to take our arms behind our back, interlace fingers, and then bring your arms over towards that right waist. We're going to allow the left ear to tip over to the left shoulder and breathe deeply here. Just a couple of breaths. Inhale, extend your arms back behind you and open your chest, and then switching sides, bringing the hands towards your left waist and allowing your right ear to tip over to the right shoulder. Beautiful. One more time. Inhale, extend the arms back, open up, and then let that go. Shake out your wrists. We're going to get started here standing at the top of the mat. So you can arrive with feet together or slightly apart and bring your hands together in front of your heart. On an inhale, we'll sweep the arms up towards the sky. And exhale, fold forward over the legs. You might start to bend one knee and then the other, being gentle wherever you are. This morning movement. And then inhale, find your flat back. And exhale, step back. Find your plank, and then your version of chaturanga here. Inhale, finding your upward facing dog or cobra. And exhale, take it back. Downward facing dog. Allowing your fingers to spread wide here and your knuckles to ground to the mat. Opening up behind your legs. And softening through your neck. Take your gaze forward, bend your knees, and let's step back up to the top of the mat. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to fold. Press through your feet, let's fly all the way up. And bring your hands together in front of your heart. Beautiful, let's do it again. Inhale, reach the arms. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale as you find your flat back. Exhale as you plant your hands, step back, lower down, chaturanga dandasana. Inhale for your upward facing dog, and exhale, take it back, downward facing dog. And drawing some energy in through that pelvic floor, your mula bandha, relaxing your head down with gravity, and breathing deeply into your entire body. Inhale, take your gaze forward and gently step back up to the top of your mat. Find some lift. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, press the feet, come all the way up. And exhale, hands together in front of your heart. Really nice. Again, inhale, float the arms. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lengthen, come up halfway. And exhale, plant your hands. Stepping or jumping back, taking your version of chaturanga. Inhale into your upward facing dog, and again exhaling to find downward facing dog. Beautiful deep breaths here. Inhale, take your gaze forward. This time let's float the right leg up, doesn't need to float high. Exhale, draw the knee in towards your chest and plant your foot down, finding your lunge here. We're going to allow the left hand to plant firmly beside the right foot as we open the right arm up towards the sky and twist. Gazing down, let's bring it into high lunge, reaching the fingertips towards the sky, deep bend into your right knee. And then exhale, let's release, take it into warrior two. Beautiful, gazing over your right hand. And then we'll take it into side angle pose, resting the right elbow on top of the knee. Returning to warrior two. And now let's wiggle the left foot in a little bit, and we'll release into triangle pose. Extending your fingertips far from each other. Bend back into the right knee. Come back into your high lunge. Nice. And exhale, plant the hands, step the right foot back, and take chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And this time, let's float the left leg up. And then draw the knee into your chest. Plant your left foot and return for your lunge on the second side. This time, our right hand will plant down and the left arm will reach up for the sky for this twist. Allowing the left arm and the right arm to float up to the sky now, come into high lunge. And then we'll plant the back heel and release into warrior two. Beautiful. Gazing over the left fingers here. And taking it into your side angle pose, taking any variation that feels right on this side. And coming back to your warrior two. From here, we're going to straighten the front leg, wiggle the back foot in, and set up for triangle pose on the second side. Reaching the left arm down and the right arm up, broadening across your collarbones, reaching fingers away from each other. And then take your gaze down, bend back into the front knee, and return to your high lunge with a deep breath in. And exhale, plant your hands, step your left foot back, and take chaturanga. Inhale, find upward facing dog. And exhale, take it back. Beautiful job. Downward facing dog. Taking your gaze forward, inhale. Come back up to the top of your mat, lengthen through your spine, and exhale, fold forward. From here, let's come into chair pose, bending deeply into your knees and reaching the arms up towards the sky. For 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Slowly starting to straighten out the legs and bring your hands together in front of your heart. Really nice. Okay, let's step open with the right foot. So you're facing the side of your mat. Go ahead and take the right arm above your head. And you can feel free to keep the left hand pressing this arm back, or you can reach that arm behind you. You might want to have a scarf here or something if you can't reach your fingers. It doesn't matter if you can or not. Just feel that deep stretch into your shoulder. And then we're going to take it into a forward fold. And release your grip. Press your right hand down into the mat and reach the left arm up for another twist. Deep breath in. And on an exhale, let's fold over that left leg, taking the left arm and the right hand to catch anywhere along the leg. Bring yourself into the center. And then take a hand behind either leg and folding forward. Relaxing through your neck. And then we'll inhale, come all the way back up and switch sides. So bending the left elbow now, and reaching the right arm behind, using your scarf or catching your fingers and folding forward. Any stretch through your shoulders is perfect here. Release that left hand down, plant the palm, and float the right hand up to the sky. Deep breath in. And on an exhale, starting to release those fingertips over that right leg. And then releasing through center. Inhale, lift your chest, and exhale, bringing the arms behind your back this time. Interlace your fingers and allow gravity to assist here. A couple of breaths. Releasing the hands back down towards the mat, wiggling the feet in, and then gently bend back into your knees and return to any comfortable seated position. And let's take a moment here, take a deep breath in, Exhale, let it go. And in this moment, setting some kind of intention for the day ahead. What is it that you can bring with you from this moment into the rest of your day? Beautiful. And that's our practice this morning. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you liked this quick morning yoga practice and you would like to see more like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. Let me know how you enjoyed this class. Namaste.